This is how you add a currency system to mix it up, kind of similar to how Twitch has their channel points. So your first step is to go into mix it up, click on the top left menu button, go all the way down to currency rank and inventory. You want to add a new currency rank right here, and this window will pop up. You want to name it. My name is, I named it Culture Coins. You want to set it as primary, and the max amount, my max amount is 100,000 Culture Coins. Online rate, I have mine set to custom, so that user gets 100 coins every 20 minutes. And for the roll bonuses, I have mine set to 50 for the regular bonus. The sub bonus is 2, and the mod bonus is 0. Event bonuses, on every follow, they get 500. Every host, they get 50. And every time they sub, they get 1,000. And down here in the settings, I have the minimum channel activity set to 0. And the automatic reset is set to never. So it never goes away. You can set it to like set to 0 like every week or every day, every year. But I just have mine set to 0 so they keep their currency. So you want to go down and save it. And when you save it, there will be a window that pops up, and it will auto generate new commands for you, which is super useful. And it will show you the commands. I'll get into it later on in the video. But here's the special identifiers, and this will come in handy if you make new commands and whatnot. But I'm pretty sure the commands that just auto generated for you already have the special identifiers in there. So now we're going to add the currency system to a command. So if you go to commands, scroll all the way up here, just click on one of your commands if you already have one pre-made, and add the currency system. Click on edit, and now you'll see this $100 bill underneath the usage requirements. You want to click on the $100 bill and add your currency you just made. So mine's Culture Coins, and I have mine set to required amount, and add the amount. So since this is an audio command, I have mine set to 100. All the audio commands on my channel are 100 Culture Coins, and then the text commands are, I think, 50. So you want to save it. Go down to save. And now we will go, if you go to, you'll see the command user and then whatever you named your currency system. So you'll see, where's it at? Should be right here. Yeah, user Culture Coin. So you'll see this command somewhere in your command list. You want to go to edit, and now you'll see the special identifiers. You can rename it whatever you want, change it around, but whenever you press use the command !Culture Coins right here, it will pop up saying this user has this amount of Culture Coins. So we'll test it out right now. So if you do Culture Coins, it'll pop up saying Uncultured Steve has 100,000 Culture Coins. So if the user is kind of curious to see how much Culture Coins they have, they can, or currency system they have, they can just do ! And then this command right here, whatever you named it. So this is super useful to like reduce spam if you have like a bunch of audio commands like I do. But it's just a cool way to keep your viewers engaged in the chat, because the longer they stick around and watch your videos, the more Culture Coins or currency system they get, and it's a really cool feature. So if you have any questions about this, if I didn't explain anything too well, let me know in the comments down below. I'll help you out as much as I can. But yeah, I love this feature. It's super useful and a fun way to get your viewers to interact with your stream. So yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the video comments down below, and have a great day.